the big screens to the team members of the
amateur big battle, and soon you'll see the aircraft start to collapse and form our world-famous Diamond 9. Leading the team for his second year as Red One, the team leader is squad leader John Bond, known as Mondy. He's been in the Red Arrows for 7 years, his second year as the team leader. He's a former Typhoon pilot, former qualified flying instructor on the Takaro, as well as flying the Takaro display in 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, once again for Diamond 9 from the right, it's the Red Arrow. On the right of Red 1 is Red 2, Captain Robert Thomas. Rob's in his first year with the team. Uniquely, he was taken from training as a student and made straight into an instructor role on the whole team. That the Red One commands, and then 8 and 9 on the outside will come in just a little bit earlier than those on the inside. 8 and 9 now collapsing behind Reds 2 and 3 for one of the most iconic shapes in aviation history. The smoke comes on. This is Concorde. On the left-hand side of that centre stem is Red 3, Flight Attendant Andrew McEwen, known as Mando. All the pilots must have at least 1,000 to 1,000 in the air. Have one operational frontline tour under their belt before they can even, boys and girls, get your cameras ready. Bring them in from the left. The smoke will come on for the colourful big fixture. As we go into that second half, we now break down to two distinct sections. Off to the left-hand side, we've got Reds 1 through 5, known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5. Off to the right-hand side, 6, 7, 8 and 9, known as Hannah, named after squad leader Ray Hannah. One of the first members to join the Red Arrows, he's the only team leader to lead the team for 4 consecutive years. He also took the team from a 7 to a 9 ship and formed our world-famous Diamond 9. Enid from the left, Hannah from the right, for the 5-4 cross. Red 6 and 8 to the Coming in from the top right to spear the heart is Red 8, Flight Attendant Rich Walker. Red 8 from behind highly experienced operator, having flown Typhoon and Harrier, as well as being a qualified flagships at one Team Mark II. Let's give the synchro pair ready. A massive round of applause for Wonderful Heart in the Skies of brilliance. And one of our former engineering officers, Wing Commander Chris Phipps, would like to dedicate today's heart to his mum. To opportunity for the vertical break. Smoke fuel. It's hydro-treated vegetable oil. It's 100% blend. The Rad Hours are the first and only team to use both renewables, aviation fuel and smoke fuel. Smoke fuel promotes innovation, British excellence, and of course that reduces our emissions and is better for the environment. And as outside of the formation in one of the hardest manoeuvres for our new pilots to master each year. This is ready for the second manoeuvre, our newest manoeuvre of 2025, with its little surprise. We can see 6, we can see 8, we can see 9. Well, there is Red 7 hiding in the smoke of Red 6 in the Tempest. Synchro pair return, because ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching